Looking for the best way to protect your personal info at home? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Crosscut shredders for your home office. Compact, reliable, and built to keep your documents safe. Let's jump in and find the perfect shredder for your workspace. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Fellows Crosscut Shredder for Home Office. The Fellows Crosscut Shredder is one of the best options for a modern home office setup. It's designed for anyone who handles bills, paperwork, or sensitive files and wants a simple, secure, and efficient way to dispose of them. Right out of the box, the Fellows Shredder feels compact and well-built, with a clean, professional design that fits easily under a desk or next to a workspace. The controls are straightforward, making it easy to use whether you're at home, working in a small office, or even setting up a shared workstation. Its crosscut mechanism delivers strong performance, shredding paper into tiny, unreadable pieces that help protect your personal information. The motor runs smoothly, and features like continuous runtime, jam prevention, and a decent bin capacity add to the overall usability. It's perfect for daily tasks like shredding mail, receipts, old tax documents, or even light office files. You'll enjoy the convenience, durability, and reliability, definite pros for anyone who wants security without hassle. As for inconveniences, it can get a bit louder during longer sessions, and like most shredders, it may need short cooldown breaks after extended use. But for normal daily shredding, it performs extremely well. If you want a secure, easy-to-use shredder that fits perfectly into any home office environment, the Fellows Crosscut Shredder is absolutely worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 2. Wingwise Crosscut Shredder for Home Office. The Wingwise Crosscut Shredder is designed to make everyday shredding fast, simple, and stress-free. It's ideal for anyone who handles bills, mail, work papers, or sensitive files and wants a compact machine that fits neatly into any workspace. The Wingwise Shredder has a modern, streamlined look with a sturdy build that feels solid the moment you set it up. Despite its compact footprint, it's surprisingly versatile, easy to move around, comfortable to operate, and designed for consistent performance. The top-loading slot and clear bin window make it effortless to check fill levels, while the smooth controls keep everything beginner-friendly. Performance is where it shines. The crosscut blades turn papers into small, unreadable pieces, giving you reliable protection for personal or office documents. It handles everyday shredding tasks well, from junk mail and receipts to multi-page work files, making it useful for home offices, classrooms, small businesses, or even shared family spaces. The motor runs with steady power, and the cooling system helps maintain durability for repeated use. Some key pros include its strong shredding efficiency, compact design, smooth operation, and user-friendly layout. A minor inconvenience is that it may need short cooldown breaks after longer sessions, and the bin could feel small if you shred in bulk, but for regular daily use, it performs consistently and keeps things tidy. If you want a simple, reliable shredder that boosts privacy and keeps your workspace organized, the Wingwise Crosscut Shredder is a solid pick. See the description for more details. Number 3. Amazon Basics Crosscut Shredder for Home Office. The Amazon Basics Crosscut Shredder is one of the most convenient tools you can add to your office setup. It's designed for anyone who wants fast, secure shredding without dealing with complicated features, perfect for home users, remote workers, students, and small offices. Right out of the box, it has a clean, compact look with a sturdy build that fits easily under a desk or beside a filing cabinet. Its usability is straightforward, just plug it in, slide your papers in, and the shredder handles the rest. The crosscut blades offer stronger protection than basic strip-cut shredders, turning documents, junk mail, and even credit cards into small, unreadable pieces. Performance-wise, it delivers smooth shredding for everyday tasks. Most users appreciate the dependable motor, its quick start and stop action, and the built-in safety features that make it easy for anyone to use. It's great for home paperwork, office files, and even light personal business tasks where privacy matters. Pros include simple operation, strong crosscut performance, compact size, and solid durability for daily use. A few inconveniences to note: the bin capacity could be larger, and the shredder may need brief cooldown periods during heavy use. But for typical home office needs, it gets the job done reliably. If you need an easy, secure way to manage your documents, this shredder is a practical choice. See the description for more details. Number 4. Bonsaii Crosscut Shredder for Home Office. The bonsaii Crosscut Shredder is designed to make everyday shredding simple, fast, and secure. It's perfect for anyone who needs dependable protection, from remote workers and students to families and small business owners. Right out of the box, the shredder has a compact, modern look that fits easily under a desk or next to your workspace. The build feels solid, with smooth edges, a sturdy top panel, and a clear waste bin window so you know exactly when it's full. It's easy to use too, just flip the switch, feed your papers, and let the crosscut blades do the work. What makes it stand out is its performance. The bonsaii delivers strong crosscut shredding that turns documents into tiny pieces, helping safeguard personal information. It handles everyday tasks like junk mail, bills, receipts, and even credit cards, making it versatile for home, office, or small business use. The motor runs efficiently, with steady power for continuous shredding sessions, and the cooling system helps prevent overheating, so you can work without interruption. In daily use, the experience feels smooth and dependable. The bin slides out easily, the noise level is reasonable for a home environment, and the simple controls make it beginner-friendly. Pros include its great shredding performance, compact design, user-friendly controls, and reliable cooling for longer use. A small inconvenience is the bin capacity could be larger, and it may slow down if you feed too many sheets at once. Personally, I think it's a strong pick if you want a secure, easy-to-use shredder for documents at home or in a small workspace. See the description for more details. Number 5. Woolsche Crosscut Shredder for Home Office. The woolsche Crosscut Shredder is designed exactly for that purpose. This compact shredder is perfect for home offices, small workspaces, or anyone who wants an easy, secure solution for disposing of sensitive documents. Right away, the design stands out: sleek, modern, and surprisingly space-friendly. Its lightweight build makes it easy to move around, yet it feels sturdy enough for everyday use. The top-load entry and clear wastebasket window make the whole shredding process simple and convenient. Performance-wise, the woolsche shredder delivers fast, consistent crosscut shredding that turns paper into tiny pieces, giving you more peace of mind. It handles daily tasks like bills, mail, receipts, and even occasional credit cards, making it useful for home, office, schoolwork, or personal record cleanup. The motor runs smoothly with a steady duty cycle designed for regular home office workloads. Some of the biggest pros include its compact footprint, strong cutting performance, easy operation, and low-maintenance design. It's quiet enough not to interrupt calls or workflow, which is great for small spaces. For inconveniences, the bin capacity may feel a bit small if you shred large amounts at once, and like most compact shredders, it benefits from short cooldown periods during heavy use. Personally, I think the woolsche Crosscut Shredder offers dependable security, clean usability, and a smooth user experience for everyday document protection. Check it out and see the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.